In this video, we will cover how to retire old harvest calibrations on the Ag Leader Edge display. From the home screen, press the Setup button, press Harvest, press Calibration, press Wait, press Show Cal Numbers, press New Calibration, press the green check mark, press the green check mark again, and as you can see, all the old grain weight calibrations that were present have now been retired. We have now covered how to retire old harvest calibrations on the Ag Leader Edge display. For more information on Ag Leader products, please refer to your local Ag Leader dealer, other tutorial videos on the Ag Leader YouTube channel, or the Ag Leader Knowledgebase at support.agleader.com. To find an Ag Leader dealer in your area, please visit our website at www.agleader.com and use the Find a Dealer feature located on the homepage.